Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and we're working on a very rare, a very cool 2020 Jaguar XF. This is the wagon version, and we were removing some door dings in the passenger side rear door. They had about a 3-inch vertical crease here, and it came out fantastic using Paintless Dent Repair. We're actually able to remove this dent without having to take really anything apart. We were able to gain access by opening the front door and going in through the wiring harness port, and that allowed us to get tools behind this dent and remove it. It came out fantastic, keeping the vehicle completely original. If you have damage like this and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. We're also conveniently located here at 201 Industrial and Blvd here in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.